Junipers come in all shapes and sizes. In fact, you can get some that are well over 18 feet tall and some that are under 18 inches tall. This is why when you're selecting an evergreen juniper to plant in your landscape, you want to make sure you're getting one that is appropriate for the size that you have to allow it to grow. Because if you get the wrong one, then that can be a problem later on. The one we want to talk to you today about is called the gray owl juniper. Now, this is actually a cultivar of our native eastern red cedar. So its genus species is actually Juniperus virginiana. However, it is a selected cultivar, again, called gray owl, meaning that it's going to stay relatively short. You can see it will really max out about a height of 3 feet, but its spread is going to get up to about 6 feet in diameter. So the nice thing about this is it really creates a low-growing evergreen buffer if you're looking to add that into your landscape or something maybe on the forefront of some wooded areas. Now, the other thing you might notice is the color is a little bit different than our typical junipers. And so gray owl does offer this nice blue-green foliage. It's a consistent color that you're going to get. Now, it is similar to our native because of the fact that it is dioecious. So you can see that this is a female plant as it has these nice kind of blue berries that are produced on it that birds often like. Also, like our native eastern red cedars, this is very well adapted for our climates as it's hardy from zone 4 to 9. So we're right in the middle of that. And the other thing is it can really handle our soil. So whether you're on eastern or western Oklahoma, it can handle both really dry drought conditions once it's established, as well as some moist conditions. Now, the one thing is you don't want to put it anywhere where it's going to be in standing water because that it does not prefer and it will not thrive in that location. But this is just one example of junipers, and there's many of them out there, on finding the right plant for the right place.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.